Welcome. This is Waec here, 2020 English Test of Oral Past Questions. Question number 20. So I using you the same instruction. We said that we should look out for the option that contains the same way consonant sound as in the given word, particularly the underlying letter. The underlying letter in this word is letter Z. Z is underlined, and by pronunciation, the word we have here is zoo. So by pronunciation, it is pronounced as zoo and transcribed as zoo, long U form. The option A is pronounced as star share. The option B is pronounced as sis, long E, sis. Option C is pronounced as days. As also in the word boys, days. Option D is pronounced as leisure. So by this transcription, we find out that the Z sound is not silent here, and the C sound is this letter S here sound is pronounced as Z. Because of this, option C is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more videos.